Ladies and gentlemen, I got my famous smoke shop order today. I will show you exactly what I have. I open the box here. My order came. And I got 5 packs. I got buy 4, get 1 free is what I did. Buy 4, get 1 free. The 5-pack Frenzy deal right here. And my Aspira Robusto 5-pack was my free one. But I have all of these right here. This here is the Aspira. This is the free pack that I got. $4.99 for this right here. 5 cigars for $4.99 in that pack. This one here is the Soledad Maduro. Anyone can see that right there. Soledad Maduro right there. And if anyone didn't see that again, that was the Aspira Natural Robusto 5-pack. That looks like. Maybe it's a Connecticut, I don't know. I have my third one in here, which is the Bayamo. The Bayamo. All $4.99 for 5 of these. Jesus Christ. People are thicker. This is the Good Days Maduro. Good Days Factory Rejects Maduro. Right there. See the beard? They're factory rejects. And my final. Conuco. Churchill 5-pack. The Conuco. I will be taking them out as I go, and I will be reviewing these. I probably won't review all 5 of each one, but I'm definitely going to do a review of at least 2 of them to see how they're coming along and how the aging process is going. So thank you to Famous Smoke Shop for sending me this stuff here. It looks all packed nice, nothing looks bad at all. And you guys, I think, take pride in what you do. Famous Smoke Shop is one of my favorite online cigar retailers. I shop once a year maybe from them, probably around this time. So, I think you guys do a good job. There, and you sent me all this, so very good. For a very good price, a very low price of $19.96 plus $6.99 shipping and handling, it equals out to just over $1 a cigar, maybe $1.02 a cigar. I don't know, but that's what it's come to. Buying the 4 packs and getting 1 free pack, so that is a steal. I got 25 cigars right here. So